Hi guys, so this is my analysis on VeCHAIN. What am I expecting on VeCHAIN? If you watch my previous analysis on VeCHAIN, guys, I said I was expecting VeCHAIN to push to the downside, and that was because of, I'll do a quick recap, because we have an we have an impulsive action right here. So I was expecting a continuation, a corrective move before we now continue to push to the upside, because I'm still predicting that we are going to continue to push to the upside. And my target, if you watched my previous analysis, was my first target will be around this area right here, which is my negative 27% fib level, and my second target will be around this level, which is my negative 61.8% fib level. But before we get to my second target, I have to see the momentum it gives around my 61.8% fib level to determine if you're going to continue to push to at least my second target. So now that we can see, based on my previous analysis, I think when I analyze it, we broke this trend line right here with this candle right here, and we said there's a possibility for us to come down here to retest that trend line right here, which is around, let me zoom in a little bit so I can see. So that was around my 38.2% fib level, around that area, before we now continue to push to the downside. And like you all know, if you've been watching my videos, my first target is always my negative 27% fib level, and my second target is always my 61.8% fib level. So I said we are going to continue to push to the downside, and my target was 0.01704. and as you can see that we got to that level right here, we surpassed it, then we even went ahead and even surpassed my second level and reached to my 78.2% fib level for the major major direction. So the upside is the major direction. So when I talk about major direction, this is the major direction, while this corrective phase right here is the minor direction. So let me delete my previous analysis and reanalyze based on the current price action now. So I'm gonna delete all this, including this one, delete my minor fib. Okay, let's see where the minor fib comes. Okay, here. So now it's a little bit more clear. So I'm going to readjust to my previous trend line just for us to see what we are looking for right here. So like I said, just because I'm still expecting more of a buy on VeCHAIN, right, doesn't mean it's going to do like that. No, no one can predict the market. We can only react to the market. But for me to actually start selling on VeCHAIN, I'll prefer it to at least break this previous low, I want the previous low to be broken for us to be guaranteed that my next target on the bearish will be my negative 61.8% fib level, which is 0.01100. So I will, if we're going to continue to push to the downside, that will be my next target. But like I said, my bias is still on an uptrend until otherwise happen. So right now we can see that we are currently rejecting off of my 78.6% fib level right here. So I'll go to a smaller time frame just for us to see what we are looking for right here. I can draw a counter trend line here just to show what we are looking for right here. So now that we can see, what am I looking for right now? I have different scenarios. First scenario is there's a possibility for us to push to the trend line, come back here. On a rejection, I want more of like either a chart reversal pattern that shows that we are now redirecting from a bearish move that has been given to an uptrend. So I want something like coming here to retest this trend line, pushing down to this 70.6% fib level to give me like a double bottom, or we call it a W to push to the upside, right? So right now there's not enough confluence for us to see right now. So right now I'll just be a little bit more patient to see more confluence for us to see on VeCHAIN. So right now I'm gonna be a little bit more patient to see what will be happening. Like I said, no one can predict the market, we can only react to the market. So right now I need more data to know what next that VeCHAIN will be doing right now. So I still think if we are going to continue to push the upside, like I said, I want a pattern that shows that we're going to continue to push the upside, break the straight line, that my target will be around this area. And if you're going to continue to push to the downside, right, because it can happen, I want like a break of structure, then that will determine that we have changed character. So right now, nothing much on the chain than just to be patient to get out more data and more price action for us to determine our next move. So hope this is insightful, guys. If you find it helpful, don't forget to subscribe, comment and like, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.